Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. I have this 12-inch by 12-inch wooden panel, and as you can see, I have primed it. What does prime means? It's just I buy the paint from Home Depot or Lowe's, and it doesn't matter what color it is, I just put a layer of it, brush on it with a foam brush, and that's my priming. That way I can ensure that when I do my pouring, it doesn't warp, bend or anything. So here we are, let's start. So I'm thinking today on this one, I'm going to do those hidden swipes, which Jessica Winterstorm made very popular, and I love doing them. I'm not as good as she is, but I'm learning. So yeah. I probably should spread everywhere. That way my paint will guide nicely. So the colors that I'm using today, so first one is Quinta Credon Crimson from Golden. Pretty color. Next color, maybe I'm going to use one of the TLP colors, Porsporon. Very pretty color, I love it. Okay, next color, that bit of show pony. Now let's go for olive green. The last one is Jenkins green, which is from Golden. I love this color. This is one of the most underrated color I would say ever made. And I want to also use some gold. Okay. Now I'm going to cover this up with black, which is lamp black from Amsterdam. Jessica does it flawlessly, but it's not that simple to layer the black on top of the other colors. The idea is to layer the black on top of the white base coat as thin as possible, but to make sure that there's no gap in between. I'm not very good at it. Learning, practicing, making progress. Oops. Anyway. Okay. Now, so I covered everything with black. Probably I need a little bit more. I have some bubbles on my paints, those are showing up, which I don't like. Oh boy. So today I'm going to use the tool which is from Fluid Art Company, and it's tool number 29. I'm going to use white. Oh boy, I have a bunch of bubbles. Let's see what can we do. So I am using white on my tool number 29. So let's see. My cell activator is pretty thick, and what I did was I was just dipping it in the paint and then I dragging up. Okay, now let's see what I can do. Bunch of cell activators here. So I'm going to pull, drag, and turn back. So what I'm doing is I'm scooping it, stretching it, folding back in, and then pulling again. How about this side? I pull, stretch, rotate. Okay, so a lot of things going on right now, but I am thinking I should probably spread the black a little more. Here also. And then spin. Let's see what we get. So this is what we have after we opened up a bit. Zoom out a bit. Oh my gosh, look at this. How pretty this is. Let me check how much paint I have in the center, which is not too much, so it's perfect. This is my problem. When I see something, I start modifying, which I was not thinking of doing, but you know what? I will let it dry because it's beautiful, beautiful. Certain places I'm not so sure about. So I will let it dry, and if it needs to be done, I will later come with the paint and figure it out. For now, it stays as is. Let me know what you think. I can always use some gold paints to modify this, but for now I'm happy. So here we are. Let me bring you down to show you what we achieved today. So let's see. Look at the details. The complexity of the design is phenomenal. As I was looking at the close-up footage to show you, I felt like I'm going to change something. I'm not very fan of this part, so how about I think it's way better. So now I think I like the composition way better. I will let you try. Thanks again for joining me today and see you next time. Bye.